Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today's special recipe is KFC style chicken popcorn. Before starting the recipe, please like and subscribe to my channel. Here I use 250 grams of chicken. In that add 1 spoon of chili powder, 1 spoon of pepper powder, 1 spoon of coriander powder, half spoon of jeera powder, add 1 spoon of salt, 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste and squeeze 1 full lemon. Add half a cup of curd, 1/4 spoon of turmeric and mix well. Now marinate this mixture for 6 hours. Now let's prepare the coating for chicken popcorn. Add 1 cup of maida, 1 cup of corn flour, 1/4 spoon of pepper, half spoon of chili powder, 1/4 spoon of salt and mix well. Now add 1/1 chicken piece and press it well and coat it. Do the procedure in the same way. If you coat it well, it will be crispy and tasty. Do the procedure for the rest of the pieces. Now we need to dip it again and coat it well the second time and keep it aside. For crispy taste, we are dipping it 2 times. Heat oil for deep fry and add chicken pieces 1 by 1. Fry on low medium flame till the chicken turns golden brown in color. Now move the chicken into a plate and do the same procedure for all. And your favorite yummy KFC style chicken popcorn is ready. If you like the recipe, please like and subscribe to my channel.